Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stopping Instagram at the system level, because the only reliable way to silence it is via phone or app notification settings. Go straight to Settings, find Notifications, then Instagram, turn Allow Notifications off. Once done, create or enable a focus profile that blocks Instagram specifically so other apps stay active. Make sure Instagram isn't marked as an exception to Do Not Disturb, otherwise alerts will still come through. This prevents banners, sounds, and badges immediately. Next, refine an app alerts to cover any channels Instagram uses to reach you. Open Instagram, go to Profile, tap Menu, then Settings and Notifications. Turn off message requests, direct messages, story replies, live videos, and anything else you don't want to hear from. Also check account settings for linked email and SMS notifications and pause those. Once done, the app will stop pushing most internal notifications, even if system notifications are accidentally re-enabled. Finish by verifying the changes so you don't get surprised. Send a DM from a secondary account or have someone ping you and confirm no banner, sound, or badge appears. If you still get notifications, make sure Instagram isn't linked to Messenger or another service that bypasses app settings. Unlink if necessary. Finally, restart the phone, log out and back in, or reinstall the app to clear stubborn cache states. If that fails, recheck focus or Do Not Disturb exceptions. Fixing that usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.